Friends, welcome back to the money video guys and my YouTube channel. Today friends we are going to talk about guys sound and vibration setting, and in this video friends we will talk about guys how can we disable do not disturb in our Samsung phone. How can we remove guys this icon on your screen. Friends, you can see this whole icon, and once you want to disable this icon means you want to remove this icon. And then how can we disable do not disturb mode setting in our Samsung phone. In this video I will show you. So before starting video fan, first of all go and subscribe the channel, click the bell icon, like my video. First of all, open your phone setting to disable do not disturb mode. Then guys scroll it. Guys, you can see notification setting. Guys, tap here, and guys you can see your do not disturb setting. Guys, do not disturb is part of sound and vibration setting. So guys, you can see your do not disturb mode setting. Guys, right side this icon. Guys, you will have to click on this icon. Guys, your do not disturb mode will disable. Then guys, you can use guys your volume settings. So I hope friends you have understood how to disable do not disturb mode in our Samsung phone. So that's it guys. Thanks for watching the video guys. We will meet our next video with new topic. Before going, please go and like the video, subscribe the channel.